When's the last time you didn't have your phone in your hand? When's the last time your phone wasn't within arm's reach? Can you remember? Can you think? I know, I'm with you. We use our technology so much that it's always with us. Now, I know you're watching this video on some device. Could be your phone, could be a TV, could be a laptop. But I want you to consider tech-free time. For instance, I hope that you at least once a day are taking time to go on a brisk walk, or just walk the dog, or go on a run. And I want you to consider the next time you do so to leave your phone behind. I know. Crazy talk, right? Now, if you wear an Apple Watch or a Garmin to track your activity, you can certainly bring that along. But don't bring your headphones. Even if you can listen to audiobooks or podcasts or music on your wearable, leave the headphones behind. Because you know what you're going to find out? You're going to discover a couple things. Number one, that there are birds in the trees that make beautiful music. I know, it's crazy. Also, did you know that wind, when it blows through the trees, it makes a sound? Thank you, right on cue, that bird was singing. But even more than that, when I go out for my daily run, and I've run every day since August 29, 2017, when you don't have anything in your ears like an audiobook, a podcast, or music, you can start thinking. It's amazing the thoughts that you can develop because you don't have this exterior sound. You just have the sound of nature. So I really want you to think about the next time you go on a walk or run to leave your technology behind. But let's take it even further. Next time you are reading a book, put your phone in the other room. Do you really need your phone right next to you when you're reading a book? Now, I don't know about you, but I read print books. And print books don't have pop-up notifications. You can't FaceTime me on a print book. So leave your device in another room. Here's another idea. How about having a tech-free day? Is he serious right now? Yes. Maybe pick one day where you and your family, no technology, no phone, no laptop, no tablet, no TV, no gaming console. The only exception, Apple Watch and Garmin, if you are someone who tracks their activities like I do. But if you do use an Apple Watch or a Garmin, I don't want you to checking social media, because there are some ways you can check social media and the internet on your device. Don't do that. Just use it to track your activity, and that's it. Now, I know this is a big ask. So maybe you start with a half a day or a couple hours. So you work it into it. So you say to your family, hey, next Saturday from noon until 3, no technology. And your kids are probably going to go, what are we supposed to do? Read a book. And then maybe you go to 6 hours and maybe the whole day. What's going to happen is you're going to get more educated because you're going to read more. You're going to have more peace because you're going to be quiet. You're going to have more ideas because when you have an idea, you're going to have to write it on a piece of paper with a pen. So I encourage you to spend time going tech-free. It'll change your life. And I'm going to do it too. I'm not saying I've got it all figured out. I need to go tech-free more as well. Technology is awesome, but we need to spend less time with it. Hey, thanks so much for your attention, for the content you just consumed. I have to say that because I don't know if you watched the video or listened to the audio, but I do appreciate your time and attention. Before you go, head on over to my website, MrProductivity.com, MISTER, MrProductivity.com. Everything you want to know about me
is at MrProductivity.com. Until next time, stay positive, stay productive.